A blessed day to one and all. Gadgets this time is very important to all of us, especially in the new normal. We should use it in the right way, especially that everybody can access to social media. Social media is one way to communicate with others. And you have to use this platform in a positive way. But as for observations, some use this for cyberbullying. Social media is one of the tools we use today. But through this, we also become victims of fake news. Freedom of speech in media is being able to invoke an honest and truthful information. Opinion to a mass of people. Fake news is an inaccurate, misleading. News can deceive or damage reputation of people. People make fake news to gain some attention or to make some fun. News should be factual. According to Warren Buffett, honesty is a very expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap people. For example, many people buy because it is cheap, and other people buy because of the quality even it is expensive. Many people fall for fake news because it is trending and many people attracted and unreliable. Good news, but often people fall for it because some people ignore it. News should be true to convey a message or information that is accurate, factual, and truthful. Because fake news can harm the reputation of others, or it may cause them danger. Remember, in your thirst of knowledge, be sure not to drown in all the information. By Anthony J. D'Angelo. Let's keep in our mind, do not believe all that you read, hear, and see. Always check the original source of information. By Lila Gifty Apta. Be information literate. Be less cancer in our society, so become a bringer of good and reliable news. Thank you.